guys, here's what you've been waiting for. We got the new body out in the sun, looking pretty. And for those that don't know, I painted this on the live stream with the viewers actually, and the viewers got to pick the paints and the decals. I gotta say, guys, did a pretty good job. I'll be honest, I did change it up a little bit. I thought the hood was a little empty, so I put the bigger sticker here and threw the one that was originally on the hood on the roof. You guys can go ahead and hold me accountable in the comments. Call me a liar. I'm sorry. But what I'm not sorry about is bringing the Truggy out today. We'll just do it a light little bash. As you know, we got a nice new body. Don't want to scratch it up too early. And now the cooling head's exposed because the old body covered the cooling head, so I'm not afraid to flip it, as you saw before. I'll go ahead, take it off for you guys. Show you underneath, because I don't think we formally have done it. And here it is right here for the tech. Got some Savox servos. Then that's just a stock Spectrum servo. But we have a Nova pipe for our exhaust. I can't even read what it is. But it's the same one that was on the buggy. So if you go back in the buggy videos when I was explaining it before, that was the one. We just took it off the buggy. Same header from the buggy also. We got a pull start Dynamite 28, which this thing's running like a beast. And these tires right here, these are the city blocks, AKA city blocks. Pretty nice. But we got this Truggy used off of eBay, but did come with some upgrades. Aluminum stuff right here. Also got the aluminum shock caps. The suspension's on, it's pretty dialed in. It does like to bottom out in the front though, especially on our jumps. As you saw in last video, we were running this thing pretty hard. A lot harder than you guys would expect, especially when just getting this thing. Like I said, we'll just do a light bash, so go ahead, fire this thing up. And enough talking. Let's do it. Alright guys, first tank is done. This thing is a beast. I gotta say, we got this thing running really good. Those last few passes, sorry for my bad camera work, but we had that thing pinned full throttle. Here it is with that noisy servo. There's the engine, still together, not blown up. And then here's the body, not scratched. We got some first dirt on it though. These things are meant to get dirty. Here's what underneath looks like. Getting some melting from the pipe. That's all right. Yeah, guys, that didn't last too long. You already got some rub through. It's all right. This thing was meant to be bashed. We can probably touch that up, maybe. Yeah, guys, I'm impressed with this Truggy. That pipe screams, and it's also wicked hot. Be careful, don't touch that. Yeah, you can see the fuel line job right here with that external filter. Believe it or not, none of that leaks. The Truggy with the jumps is really well. Lands nice and smooth. The suspension's real stiff. If it had a little more travel, it'd probably bottom out a little less, as you can see. It does like to bottom out. When we got this thing, this skid plate was actually like brand new. And now it's like non-existent. That was quick. Anyway, we'll fill her up, put another tank in, do some more jumps. Let's go. Alright guys, this thing's running great. I really like these budget engines. They're good little bashers. This engine sure is a workhorse in this buggy. I can see underneath, it's not as clean as what it used to be. That's alright. Use them and abuse them. The tires, even though we're running on the pavement, the wear isn't too bad. Yeah, I really like this body. You know what guys, got a little question for you. What do you like better? That semi-truggy body or the original body? It's a tough one. Yeah, maybe it's time to clean this body when I get back. So anyway guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in. It's a little windy, but that's alright. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.